Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube audio not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in YouTube and then tap on the app to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you tap on iPhone storage here, scroll down and then tap on YouTube. Now once you're inside here, tap on the option that says upload app, which lets you reset the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just go back and then try again and your problem should be fixed. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.